Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on a journey back to the first day of my successful online business. You'll get an exclusive look at how everything started and learn valuable techniques to turn visitors into customers. Plus, I'll reveal how the power of AI saved me time and money. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single part of this video. Let's dive in. You're probably wondering what my business is all about. Well, let me introduce you to a unique concept inspired by the popular Airbnb welcome book. For those who aren't familiar, a welcome book is a guide that provides essential information to guests during their stay. That's where I saw an opportunity and decided to start an online agency to help Airbnb hosts design or redesign their welcome books. But even with a great idea, it will be worthless without demand, so the first step was to verify if there was a market for my service. I went to the Facebook ads library to check if similar products were being advertised, and guess what? I found a store promoting an Airbnb welcome book template. The fact that their ads had been running for a few days indicated a positive sign. They were making sales. To further validate the market, I explored Etsy and discovered that many of the top listings had a good number of reviews and received consistent daily reviews. This gave me the confidence that there was room to make money in this niche. But I needed a way to stand out, analyzing competitors and differentiating. Analyzing my competitors, I noticed that all had one thing in common: selling editable templates, requiring customers to make the edits themselves. That's when inspiration struck. I decided to provide a done-for-you welcome book design service. By having customers fill in a questionnaire, my team would take care of the entire creation process. This approach allowed us to charge a higher price, appear more professional, and truly stand out from the competition. Leveraging AI for efficiency and creativity. To kickstart my business, I turned to the power of AI. I started by using Chatgpt to generate the structure of the welcome book. It provided detailed answers to my questions, saving me hours of research. With the book structure in hand, I used it as a guide to design the book template on Canva. ChatGPT's suggestions were incredibly helpful, but I still added my own creativity and made the design more visually appealing, creating a client's questionnaire. With the book template ready, I needed a way to collect the necessary information from clients. Again, AI came to the rescue. I went back to ChatGPT and requested it to create a questionnaire for Airbnb hosts based on the sections of my welcome book. Within seconds, I had a detailed questionnaire categorized and ready to go, designing the final questionnaire. To bring the questionnaire to life, I used Google Forms. I simply copied the questions generated by ChatGPT, made any necessary changes, and organized them into sections. This allowed the clients to easily fill out the required information in a structured manner. Once completed, the questionnaire would be automatically sent to me via email or could be accessed through the Google Forms interface. The importance of a high, compelling headline. In the process of building my online business, I realized the significance of a compelling headline on the sales page. It serves as the first point of contact with potential customers and plays a crucial role in capturing their attention. To create impactful headlines, I developed a secret formula that proved highly effective. This formula involved dividing a table into 4 essential columns: results, benefits, time, and challenges. By populating these columns with different options relevant to my service, I gained valuable insight into what my potential customers desired. This formula allowed me to craft engaging headlines that resonated with my target audience and addressed their pain points. The headline became a compelling promise that enticed potential customers to explore further and learn about the value of my business offered. To streamline the headline generation process and make it even more efficient, I turned to AI for assistance. With the help of ChatGPT, I trained the AI model to utilize the formula I had developed. It was incredible to witness how ChatGPT quickly grasped the concept and began generating headline options for my product or service. By simply providing the formula to ChatGPT and instructing it to generate headlines, I could automate the entire process. This eliminated the need for me to brainstorm and write headlines manually. The AI-powered feature not only saved me valuable time, but also ensured that the generated headlines aligned perfectly with the formula and captured the essence of what my business offered, designing a simple and informative layout. With the headline perfected, I focused on creating an effective sales page. I believe in simplicity, so I kept the design clean and straightforward. The headline took the spotlight, followed by a list of benefits that my service offered. I even included an interactive version of the welcome book, allowing potential clients to preview the end product. Additionally, I outlined the step-by-step process of how my service worked and provided pricing details. AI's role in generating sales page content. What's truly remarkable is that every part of the sales page, from its structure to the content, was generated using Chatgpt. I relied on Chatgpt to create a sales page's outline, determine the sections, and provide the necessary content. With AI's assistance, I could quickly put together a professional and persuasive sales page without spending excessive time on content creation. Effective strategies for outreach. With the sales page ready, it was time to find clients. Instead of investing in paid ads, I utilized a free method, LinkedIn outreach. This involved researching decision makers in the target market and reaching out to them with personalized messages. To achieve success, I followed a few key principles. Firstly, I avoided generic greetings and instead focused on personalized messages. Secondly, I kept the outreach messages concise and ended with a question to encourage engagement. Lastly, I made sure to highlight the specific benefits my service could provide to the recipient's organization. Leveraging AI for outreach optimization. To optimize my LinkedIn outreach effort, I turned to AI once again. Chatgpt proved to be invaluable in generating personalized outreach messages at scale. By providing Chatgpt with basic information about the recipient, such as their name, company, and industry, I was able to generate tailored messages that felt genuine and relevant. This AI-powered approach allowed me to reach out to a larger number of potential clients while maintaining a personal touch. The art of the follow-up. One crucial aspect of the sales process is the follow-up. Many potential clients may be interested but require a gentle nudge to take the next step. To ensure I didn't miss out on opportunities, I implemented a strategic follow-up plan. After sending an initial outreach message, I would wait a few days and then send a follow-up message. The key was to provide value in each interaction. Whether it was sharing relevant resources or offering a sneak peek into the service, I aimed to demonstrate the value my service could bring. AI-powered follow-up automation. Managing follow-ups manually can be time-consuming, but with the help of AI, I automated the process. Chatgpt assisted me in generating follow-up templates and scheduling reminders. By using AI to handle follow-ups, I could focus on building relationships and providing value to potential clients, knowing that the AI was taking care of the logistical aspects. Celebrating success and managing expectations. Now, you may be wondering about the results I achieved in just 1 month. Well, I'm grateful for the success I've experienced, but it's essential to keep in mind that these results may not be typical for everyone. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and persistence. The results you see on the screen are not guaranteed for everyone starting out, putting in the time and effort. In my case, I was fortunate to have a team supporting me with outreach, which significantly contributed to my success. However, it's crucial to recognize that every journey is unique. It's important to put in the time and effort, continuously refine your strategy, and be patient. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right tools, you can make progress towards your goals. As we come to the end of this video, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked upon together. Building a successful online business requires continuous learning and adaptation. It's important to embrace the lessons you learn along the way and use them to refine your approach. Remember, success is not a destination. It's a journey of growth and evolution. Throughout this video, we've witnessed the incredible potential of AI in shaping and enhancing our online businesses. By leveraging the power of AI, you can streamline processes, save time, and unlock new possibilities. Combine the capabilities of AI with your unique creativity, passion, and dedication, and there's no limit to what you can achieve. Trust in your abilities, stay persistent, and embrace innovation as you carve your path to success.